So then we go to the root causing of the incident, why certain events happening, and how we investigate that.
We are here participating in a DEME training focusing on incident investigation. At DEME we do put the people first, so that also includes their health, their safety, their security. And the purpose of the investigation of the incidents is first and foremost to prevent that the same or similar incidents would reoccur in the future. So in order to have the proper policies and procedures in place that prevent such an incident from reoccurring, you would first need the data. You would need to do the investigations first. You would need to speak with the people who were involved in a similar prior incident.
So the training gives a bit background on why, when and how to do an investigation, but you also learn that it's very important to collect all the data as soon as possible, because then you know it's accurate.
It's really important that everybody who has a supervisory role follows this training. It's definitely a training that can be followed by either vessel crew, projects, management teams, QHSE as well. This training is really meant for all profiles within DEME who ever need to be part of an investigation team.
If you keep on just discussing and talking in general, you don't really go into the depth of the case. And that is what the trainer is trying to explain and to help us with.
It's nice to know, if I am the first responder, what is required for me afterwards when we come to the investigation part. So already when I'm treating a person or when I see something happening, then I know what do I need to make a record of.
But for me the most interesting is actually the tools that are available already to do the investigation, and also the different steps, and to not make assumptions too quickly, but fact check all your assumptions in the investigation, because I think that's something that is a human thing to do, that you really assume a lot of things without properly checking if they are correct.
Everybody should follow the incident investigation training, because everybody can learn from each incident in your daily activities, but also at home.
On a broader level within DEME, incident investigation should be part of our DNA. We learn from our mistakes and our successes, we enhance the safety at our sites, and that's what an incident investigation should be about.
I would recommend this course to everybody who has something to do with appraise, and especially the incident investigation on board, just to get the hang of the different terms. It's just a nice thing to see how it's done and how it's supposed to be done and what is expected.
Incident investigation is not an action to blame someone or somebody. The aim is to learn something about the incident and to avoid that it can happen again.
I would recommend it, also for my colleagues, because we are working in a rather complex environment, in an ever-changing environment, and you need to take the basics with you wherever you go, on what vessel and project you would go.